Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the Studio Ghibli filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this in trending section. What you can do, tap on this search button and search for Ghibli. Okay, on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, this is the effect. Just tap on create. Okay, this is the effect. Wait for it. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for Ghibli filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there and you can visit the effect page, and from there you can use the filter, or you can tap on any of this video.
Studio Ghibli.
On the bottom left corner of this video you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. You have to tap on use this effect at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from the For You page. What you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.